friends, family, loved ones near and far. I am recording this video as a thank you to many of you who have stuck by my side all these school learning years. We did it. We got through this together. My moments here at Tahlequah Public Schools system will never be forgotten. In my time here, I have received several valuable awards and honors such as 7-time Student of the Month, 1-time Student of Today, 2-time President Honor Roll, 3-time Perfect Attendance, 4 times Honor Roll, 1-time Terrific Tiger, 2-time Math Leading Scorer, 2-time Science Award winner, 1-time Social Study Award, 1-time Language Art Award, 1-time Straight Qualifier Academic Team, 1-time Second Overall JV Leading Scorer, 2-time Medalist, 2 doubles tennis, 1-time Most Improved Choir Member, 1-time Choir Leadership Award. All of these things could not have been possible without the support I got every day from teachers, fellow classmates, and of course, friends and family. I love everyone who has helped me. Several of the most memorable teachers are Mr. Pack, Mrs. Harriman, Mrs. Peterson, Coach Jones, Mr. Morton, Mrs. Elliott, Mrs. Fries, Coach Kane, Coach King, Coach Riles, and so much more. I would like to thank the organizations that I've been part of over the years. 8-year academic team, 1-year BPA, 2-year state school committee, 3-year choir, 4-year FCA, 1-year 4.0, 4-year NHS, 1-year SWAT, 1-year esports. And the sports, 3 years tennis, 2 years track, 2 years basketball, 2 years football, and 4 years cross country. I know these are just a few accomplishments over the years that I have done. However, as I have said before, I could not have done it without the help of all of you. I lead Tahlequah Public Schools as not only an alum, but as a full-hearted Tahlequah Tiger. I lead this school hoping that I made a mark through the years, and I made an impact on several of the lives of students around me. As I graduate and move on to the adult phase of my life, I want to thank all of you. When I was just 14 years old, I hit rock bottom and did not think I would be standing here today. Without the help of several people who have helped me see a new perspective and the ability God has given me, I overcame that. I believe in the Bible, and in 2 Timothy 4:7 it states, "I have fought the good fight, I have finished the race, and I have kept the faith." I pray that as I leave here today, that my fellow classmates and the faculty I have had over all the years can say this about me. I gave myself a motto every day since 15. It goes, I can, I will, I must, and I am. I came up with this quote to define my dreams. You can use it in any way you want. You can dream, you will dream, and in order to fulfill your dreams, you must go for it. However, through it all, God will be with you, as He says, "Be still and don't be afraid, for I am with you." To my fellow class of 2021, we did it. We did something a lot of us did not imagine happening. We were able to complete this whole school year. Last year, after the world slowed down, I, myself, did not think we were going to have a full senior year. I thought the sports were gone, clubs were gone. I thought everything was going to stop. However, we did it. All of us worked hard to get to this point. I believe we can really say that nothing can stop us. Virtual or not, we were able to defeat COVID's rule over school and graduate successfully, even though we had to wear masks all day. As we all go our separate ways this May, I hope that we all do not give up on your dreams. You will face hardships and obstacles that you want to give up when you get to them, but do not give up and keep going. Do not let anything stop you from achieving your dreams. If no one else tells you as you leave, I believe in you. To the teachers who have wisely taught me so much and helped me become the person I am today, I thank you. getting to several classes early and leaving them late. I thank you for the wisdom you brought unto me. I may not have ever been the best student, but I sure loved being in all of your classes. You spent your life going to college and to make an impact on the students' lives, and you for sure left one on mine. You are so amazing at what you do. I appreciate all of you. I for sure will not forget that the mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell, or Oxford commas, or that the correlation measures the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two quantitative variables, or the follow row. I thank you. To my friends who stood by me, late night studyings and early morning rides to tennis, I thank you. If not for you, I would still be the silent kid in the back of the classroom, seeing how many licks it takes to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop. Our memories will always be embedded into my life, and I enjoy all of them. From tennis to football to several other things that I've been a part of, you have all cheered me on, and I appreciate it. To my family who knew I would actually make it this far, how did you? Because I did not think I would. After a great elementary school experience and seeing me keep fighting in middle school and getting suspended, I matured and actually had a great high school experience. All of you cheering me on during my competitions, I thank you. To my siblings who set the bar higher and higher for me each year, I thank you for making me push myself every day. To all of you, I thank you. To the Tahlequah Public School System, I thank you for accepting me into your school. To the coaches, I thank you for pushing me all practice long to better myself in what I was doing. I thank all of you for pushing me to be the best person I can be and who I am today. Thank you. Have a great day.